Good afternoon everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how we can perform several operations using random module in Python. So let's get started. So import random module at first. Okay. Random generate random floats between generates random float between 0 and 1. So we get 0.680 something. If we run it again and again, the value will change. But for getting the same value, we have to set a seed. So when you set a seed, it will generate the same number. Random.random. Okay, 0.844 again run. 0.844 again 0.844. If we change the seed, let's say 10, 0.57 on 0.57, so we get the same number. Now state get a state, so this returns a current initial state. Random. So we get 0.428. Now random.set state. This restores current internal, not initial, internal, restores the internal state. Random. So we get the same value. Let's run it again. We get the same value. Okay. Now return a randomly selected element from a specified range. Rand range. So it's 10. Let's mention between 5 and 10. Then between 2 and 10 with a step of 2. Let's see how they get. So we get to 9. Any random number within 0 to 9. So, but in the second case, we'll get any random number within 5 to 9. And the third case, we'll get only the even between 2 to 8. So let's run it few times. Now we get 6, 8. Okay. Now random dot get rand bits 2 returns number with random bits. So we got a 1. I think 1 in binary is 0 1 I guess, so that's 2 bits. Again we got 1, again 1, 3 is probably 1 1, that's also 2 bits. Okay, return particular items from chosen random.sample. So 1 2 3 4 5. So we got 3 4 1, 3 items from this list of 3 5 1. So it gives different output. Now reorganize the order of items. Let's create a list. Random dot shuffle printer. Sorry, shuffle. So 2 3 1 4 5. It reorganized. Each time different output. Now return a random element from a sequence. So print random dot choice, provide our list. We got 5. If we run again, now we get another one. Return multiple random elements from a sequence. So random dot choices, wide list, k is equal to 10. So 1 4 1 5 4 2, we didn't get any 3, but we got 4 3 times, 5 2 times, 1 4 times. If we run it again, we'll get another. Now we got 3 4 5 1 2 3, all the elements. Okay, so returns each elements multiple times randomly from a sequence. Now return random float to specified so we get a random value between 10 to 20. Okay, now return a random float within a range random to triangular 10 100 20. So this is the range and this is the pi, so output is more likely to be closer to this value. So you get 26 27. return random integer within a range. So random dot rand int, so we get on 9, so an integer between 1 to 10. Now return a random float. With beta distribution between 0 and 1. So random dot beta variate. So I think this is alpha, this is beta. Yes, this is alpha, this is beta, and we'll get different output. Okay, this is beta distribution. There are plenty of other distributions in this model. So let's now see exponential. Exponential distribution. So in that case, so this is random float with exponential distribution. Copy. So expo variate, now we see gamma distribution. Again, alpha beta 2 parameters. So it's 6.87 something. Then we have Gaussian distribution. So this is, we are familiar with, this is bell shaped. So 0 mean, 1 standard deviation, we get this value. Then we have normal, that's also 0 on 1, we get this value. Then we have log normal. This is a float with log normal distribution. Then we have phone misses. I'm not sure about this one. Phone misses or circular normal distribution. Let's provide 0 1 1. Okay, then we have Pareto distribution. We have only one parameter. So this is a float with Pareto distribution. And finally, we have variable. Variable variate. So we need to provide two parameters. Let's 1 and 2. So this is variable variate. So these are some of the operations that we can perform using random module in Python, and this one is kind of important. we will see this in so many cases. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.